Out-of-state license restoration in Michigan. How to clear a Michigan hold on your driving record. Many people who move away from Michigan find that a Michigan hold blocks their ability to get a license in another state. A Michigan hold is a revocation on your driving record reported to the Federal Problem Driver Pointer System, and every state checks this database before issuing a license. The Secretary of State imposes a hold after revoking your license under MCL 257.303, often for repeat operating while intoxicated convictions. You cannot pay a fee or wait for the hold to disappear. The only way to remove it is to win a formal clearance appeal before the Michigan Office of Hearings and Administrative Oversight. Eligibility depends on the number of convictions and the time since revocation, but you must serve at least a year and often 5 years before filing. You must also show complete sobriety, live outside Michigan, and provide proof that your alcohol or substance issues are under control. Out-of-state residents may file an administrative review by mail or request a remote video hearing. A hearing allows you to answer questions and has a higher success rate. If an administrative review is denied, you can still request a hearing within the same application cycle. To convince the hearing officer, you must prove that your substance abuse problems are under control and likely to remain under control, that you are low risk to drink and drive, that you will drive safely, and that you have been sober for at least a year. You will need a request for hearing form, a substance use evaluation on Michigan's Form 258 by a qualified evaluator, a 12-panel drug screen, 3 to 6 notarized letters describing your sobriety, evidence of participation in recovery programs, and proof that you live in another state. All documents must tell the same story. Inconsistencies between your evaluation and support letters are a common reason for denial. Mistakes like using the wrong form, submitting outdated drug screens, or offering vague letters can lead to rejection. A lawyer can help you gather and organize this evidence and prepare you for the hearing. The entire process usually takes several months, from collecting documents to having the hold removed, so patience and preparation are essential. If your administrative review is denied, you can request a hearing. If the hearing is denied, you may appeal to circuit court within 63 days or wait a year and reapply. You cannot clear the hold by paying money, and even old convictions remain active until you win a clearance. Hearing officers generally expect abstinence from alcohol and controlled substances, so any use should be discussed with your evaluator and attorney. Working with an experienced lawyer is important because the requirements are strict and the standard of proof is high. An attorney familiar with Michigan license restoration can help ensure your evaluation, letters, and testimony align and can present your case persuasively. Paul J. Tafelski, founder of Michigan Defense Law, has represented clients in license restoration cases for over 20 years. His law firm assists out-of-state residents throughout the country and can handle the entire process remotely from its Bloomfield Hills office. Restoring your driving privileges is possible if you meet the requirements, prepare carefully, and seek guidance from a knowledgeable lawyer. Contact Michigan Defense Law to discuss your situation. Michigan Defense Law is located at 2525 South Telegraph Road, Suite 100, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, 48302, and the phone number is 248-451-2200.